welcome back to the channel. I am so excited for this video because I think it's going to be so eye-opening. As you can tell from the title, I'm going to be comparing various items from Temu and Amazon, and I am not going to be comparing like a Temu purse to like a Prada purse or something and being like, oh yeah, hey, look at the price difference. No. These items that I'm going to be comparing are virtually identical, and in some cases it's literally the exact same thing, where the product photos are literally the exact same. And I'm going to be comparing items from different categories, different price points. The whole point being, I just want to show you how affordable the stuff on Temu is and how good the quality is, because sometimes we are worried about quality when the price is a bit lower, but that's not always the case. As you guys may or may not know, Temu is an online marketplace that recently in the past year, I think, came to US and Canada, and it has just exploded. There are just so many things you can get on there, literally from electronics to jewelry to stationery to clothing, like anything you can think of. So let's get right into it, and I'm going to compare some items for you and show you how amazing this new marketplace really is. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to show you guys are these Apple Pencil nibs, and it comes in this cute little case. Maybe I should take one out for you. Can you see it? Focus. With the little metal tip at the bottom. If you guys have seen my previous videos, you know that I like these more than the ones that come with the Apple Pencil. And I usually just get these replacement ones from Amazon for about $10. Again, I'll show you a screenshot of the products on the two websites, just because the prices might fluctuate slightly from the time that I got the products and when I'm doing this video. And of course, exchange rates and all of that. All the prices that I'm showing will be in USD. But these are normally $10 on Amazon, and on Temu, these were $3 for a pack of 5, which is such a good deal. Like, I've been using these on my Apple Pencil, and they work the exact same. Crazy. Okay, so the second thing that I wanted to show you guys was a planner-related item, which are these stencils. So let me just show you. So for example, this one is like the monthly set where you can draw out the monthly calendar. And these are all A5. It comes with a whole bunch of these that are all functional. And there's also some cute icon type ones that are a bit more decorative. These again were only $3 on Temu, but a set of stencils that are very similar to this is $14 on Amazon. Like, it's crazy. I think it's because Amazon charges really high fees to the seller. Don't quote me, but I think that's why. And so maybe that's causing some of the price differences. I'm not sure. Let me know down below if you know why, but isn't that crazy? Okay, now this next item is actually going to shock you. When I looked this up on Amazon, because it's the exact same item, I was like, oh my gosh. So this next item is a KODAK SSD card. So it's an external hard drive. You know, especially for us who make YouTube videos or have kids and take a million photos, like you want external hard drives to back up all your stuff, right? And so this on Temu was $35. And guess how much it is on Amazon? Take a minute. It was $135. Like, that has got to be an error. And I'm not comparing different brands. I'm literally comparing the same brand, the same product. Like, what the heck? So that's what I really wanted to emphasize in this video, was to just like give you guys an eye-opener on how different the prices are. Because I've heard people talk about, I'd rather just order on Amazon because I trust Amazon, but Amazon is literally getting it from the same suppliers. And now you know. Okay, so the next item that I have is pretty straightforward. It's just this mouse pad, and it's like a pleather, PU leather type mouse pad. Works great, pretty straightforward. It was $1.50 on Temu, and a similar one on Amazon is $4.99. I'm trying to show you things that are like different price points, different areas, just so you guys get like a breadth of like how different the prices are between Amazon and Temu in like every single category. It's actually crazy. So the next thing, again, is literally the exact same product photos on Temu and on Amazon, and it is this weekender bag. This bag was $8 and I think 27 cents. and it is $15.99 on Amazon. It's the exact same product, the exact same. If you looked at the pictures and you read like the description of like the label, they're the exact same. This is such a good travel bag, by the way, if you guys are looking for a travel bag, just FYI. Okay, so continuing with the bags, next thing that I got from Temu was this little cute little tote, but you can fit like a half-letter planner in this cute little tote, and I just like love it because there's so many pockets. It's a tote style that we all love. You can carry it this way or over the shoulder, and this bag was $7 on Temu, and it is also $15 on Amazon, and it literally looks like the same thing on Amazon. Like, I don't think it's the exact one because the one I maybe linked doesn't have this front pocket exactly like this, but both mini totes, and it's literally half the price on Temu. Okay, so the next thing is this, what do you call it, tray for the car that also comes with an iPad holder. So I like this for the kids, for long road trips, whatever. You can have this with the iPad here and then like drawing or eating or whatever you want. This thing was $24 on Temu, and I think it's actually sold out because it's probably such a good deal. And I found this on Amazon for $38. So there are ones on Amazon that are a little bit cheaper that I saw in the $25 range, except you have to make sure that you're looking for one that has like this flap that attaches to the front seat. See this top part that has the loop? Because there's a bunch of them where it like just is supposed to stand up like this, but I don't like those because I find them too flimsy, especially with little kids. You need one that hooks onto the front so that it like doesn't fall over. Know what I mean? Yeah, so the one that I found that was most similar was $38. That really adds up when you have 2 kids or 3 kids or 4 kids or God bless you how many ever kids you have. Okay, so the next one that I have is this busy board thing, and this has been my younger daughter's favorite toy ever since I got it. She loves to sit there and play with like the shoelace and do all the buckles and stuff, and there were some middle pieces that came with it that I took out, but I found this exact thing on Amazon for $22, whereas on Temu, this was only $14. Same thing, the exact same thing. Look at the product photos. Okay, the next one, which I actually really love for parents, are these types of alphabet tracing books. Now, they're not the regular ones, which just has the outline and you just copy it. These ones have little grooves in them. So especially if you have toddlers who are really just learning to write, the grooves help them stay in that line so that they're not like scribbling all over the place. You know how it is with kids when they're first starting to learn. So I just find these so good. And this was such a good deal. Like, it's crazy. So these were $5, I think 98 cents or something on Temu when I got these. And these are $22 on Amazon. The exact same set versus $6. Like, if you have, again, multiple kids and you want to get these for multiple kids, it really adds up. It's like the difference between $20 of practice books versus like $100. And then just one last item in the kids arena, and that is this Aurora dress. Now I'll show you the picture of my daughter wearing it because it comes with all these accessories, gloves, and like the crown and everything. And this is a really good quality costume. I know you can get these on various types of sites and sometimes the quality is just not there. Now, I've gotten a lot of dresses between my 2 young daughters, and this one is exceptional quality. It's the exact same quality that you would get off of Amazon, if not better. I cannot believe that this thing was only $13 on Temu because on Amazon for the exact same dress, it's $35. Now, I am so mad because in our household, between my 2 daughters, we have so many princess dresses. And when I get these at the local mall, they are $30 per dress. And on Temu, they are only $12. Okay, so I have a kitchen item, and I actually have a few kitchen things that I've got from Temu in a video that will be coming out or has already come out. If it's come out, I'll link it down below. But in this one, I just wanted to do one comparison because I didn't want to overlap too much, is these measuring spoons. Now, it's hard to kind of show you on screen, but these are stainless steel measuring cups. At least, I mean, I think they're stainless steel because they're very heavy, but they are amazing quality. They have like the grooved measurement on the side, and then they have a rubber grip so the measurement won't scrape off, you know? And then the grip is great for when you're like baking or whatever and it starts to get like slippery and you don't want it to slip out of your hands. But this set was $8 or $9 on Temu. And guess how much they are on Amazon? They are $35. The exact same set. I mean, you can see from the product photos, but it literally looks the same, does it not? And it's $35. You should definitely pick up a pair of these. Okay, so the next item in preparation for summer is this picnic blanket. Now, it's like quite a big picnic blanket. I saw my dad get one, and that's why I got one, because it's such good quality in that the top is like this kind of design and the bottom is this waterproof material. So great for lots of kids, for the beach, for the parks, or whatever for the summertime. So I got this for around $17 on Temu, and a similar blanket, I couldn't find the exact same one obviously, was $29.99 on Amazon. Okay, two last items in kind of like the jewelry category. This one I am so excited about. Okay, do you guys see this ring? These are, I think they're called croissant rings. Now, it feels kind of heavy. I'm going to be honest and say I have not worn this like for weeks on end or whatever. I haven't tried like running it through water and whatnot, so I'm not gonna say how well it holds up. But I mean, I guess similarly with Amazon jewelry, I wouldn't know the like long-term quality of it either. But just from like the design and how it looks and how it feels, and that it's like quite heavy, it's not like really light cheap metal feeling. I definitely want to get more of these. So this was $3.59 USD on Temu, and a similar croissant ring on Amazon. The cheapest one that I could find that has this style, because I know this style is really popular, was $7. I don't have the one from Amazon, and so I don't know how the quality compares to this one, but even if it's the same quality, this one is still like almost half price. So those were all of the items that I had for you today. If you guys have any other comparisons or really good deals from Temu, please let us know down in the comments below. Thank you so much, Temu, for sponsoring this video. Thank you for existing and allowing us affordable shopping, because who doesn't like to save some money? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!